Mathematics is the best thing in the world because it is true and logical. Happy International Mathematics Day. The International Day of Mathematics is a global celebration which takes place on March 14th of every year. It aims to educate people about the essential role of mathematics in science and technology, improve quality of life, empower women and girls, and contribute to sustainable development. Every year, the worldwide event focuses on a particular theme. The aim of the theme is to connect mathematics to all sorts of subjects, fields, and ideas, spark creativity, and provide focus to the event. The theme for 2022 International Day of Mathematics is Mathematic Unites. This theme was proposed by Yulia Nestrova, a graduate student from the University of Ottawa in Canada. She explains mathematics unites to signal that it is a common language we all have and a common subject with which to find one another. The theme focuses on the powerful quality mathematics has to unite us. No matter where we are from, the unique language of maths is something we all have in common. March 14th is also celebrated around the world as the annual Pi Day, based on the fact that some countries write the date 3/40, which is approximately equal to the pi value. UNESCO's 40th General Conference described Pi Day as International Day of Mathematics. The major goals of the International Day of Mathematics is to improve understanding among general public about the importance of mathematics in education, raise awareness of the role of mathematics in modern society, science, disaster management, and collaboration in public awareness of mathematics and more. So let's learn math, enjoy math, and celebrate math all over hearts and brains. I wish you all a happy International Day of Mathematics. Thank you.
Mathematics is the queen of science. There is mathematics everywhere in nature. So a place, a thing, matter, energy, force, etc. Wherever there are numbers, mathematics is there and numbers are everywhere. Therefore, mathematics is everywhere. The planets go around the sun in precise orbit. The sun goes around the universe in precise orbit. The electrons go around the nucleus of an atom in precise orbit. There is an order in all these. Wherever there is an order or rhythm, there is mathematics. Mathematics is in light and mathematics is in sound. Mathematics is in order and also in disorder. Chaos theory is an example of mathematics in disorder. Mathematics is in the predictable and also in random. The shape of a flower, leaves, fruits, almost everything can be expressed as ideas in mathematics. They say that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Yes, it is so.
Good morning all. We students of grade 4 Daffodil present here a skit on the importance of mathematics in our daily life. Good evening, Dolly. How was your day?
Sorry to say, Father, nothing was good. My math teacher always says, try, try, try. Practice, practice, practice. But I feel boring and want to cry, cry, cry. But every day, I don't need it. Without it, I want to achieve my goal.
Don't say that. Math is very important in day-to-day life. It is a part of our life.
No, it is not a part of my life.
Okay then, what can I say now? You will understand it one day.
What is the time now? How can I say the time? You don't need maths in your life, and without numbers, I cannot say the time. I'm sorry. You silly clown. Go away. I'll ask my mother. Oh no, this noodles is not tasty. It is salty. How can I eat this?
This is your decision. It's not my fault because you didn't want to use correct proportion because you don't need maths. I'm sorry. You can have this now.
Okay, I don't want to eat. Today there is drawing competition in my school, father. Let's go and buy some colors. These colors are good. I'll take this.
Money, money, money. I am money. Without me, you cannot buy anything. To know the value of that colors, you need to calculate. That is math, but you don't need math. There is no place for me in your life. So, I am going. You will not get your colors.
Dear friends, now I understood that math is everywhere. It is very important in our daily life. Without math, we will not survive.
So, dear friends, math is having a solution to all our problems. Hope you enjoyed the skit. Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Aisha of grade 5 Aster. So today I'm going to show you about fractions. After watching this full video, you'll be understanding about fractions. So let's get to the video. So the materials required for this activity is 2 art paper, then a roller, a sketch pen, a scissor, and a compass and a pencil. So now we can draw a circle with the compass. So now we need to cut it with a scissor. Now we need to cut the circle, so we can cut it. We need to cut it carefully. So now we had cut the circle. Now we need to cut it again in another art paper. Now we had cut both the circles. Now we need to draw a line with a sketch pen or a marker. So we can draw it. We need to divide it into 4 shapes. We can do the same in this paper also. Now we need to cut it from here to here. We should only cut it here. So we had completed. We need to do the same over this circle also. Now we need to keep this circle into this circle like this. Now we can learn fractions. So this is 1 by 4. Now this is 2 by 4. Now this is 3 by 4. And this is 4 by 4 or a whole.
Hi all, my name is Arshida Ramesh. I am studying first grade Buttercups. I am singing a song, Shapes. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have just one line, goes round and round. I have wrote on the ground what I am. You are a circle. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. If you look 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What I am? You are a triangle. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides. They are all the same. If you know me, you are good at this game. What I am? You are a square. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides. My 2 sides are shorter. And I don't care what I am. You are a rectangle. Draw a circle in the air. Draw a triangle in the air. Draw a square in the air. Draw a rectangle in the air. Shapes. I see shapes. Everywhere I found. I see lots of shapes. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Shapes. I see shapes. Everywhere I found. I see lots of shapes. Thank you.
Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computation, or algorithms. It is about understanding. A famous quote by Srinivasa Ramanujan. Hello everyone, my name is Elena from grade 5 Daisy. Today I am here to show you a trick with magic numbers using a calendar. Let's see how the trick works. Here we have a calendar of November 2021. Now we will have to select a square anywhere in the calendar. That is, we have to select equal number of rows and columns. Let's select a square with 4 rows and 4 columns. Here we have selected a square. As we can see, it has 4 rows and 4 columns. Let's zoom the square so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now we have to select a number from the square. First, we will select number 5. We will put a circle around number 5. Now we have to cross every other number coming in the row and column of number 5. Let's cross it one by one. 4, 3, 2, 12, 19, and 26. Now we have to select another number. Let's select number 17. Now we have to cut all the other numbers in the same row and column. Now select next number. Let's go with 25. Now cross the numbers. Let's circle the remaining number, that is 9. Now we have to add all the circle numbers together. That is 5 plus 25 plus 17 plus 9. The total is 56. And the trick is
we will get the same total for whichever number we select in the square. Let's play with another set of numbers. First, let's go with number 2. Then number 18. Then number 12. And round the last number 24. Now let's add the numbers. 2 plus 18 plus 12 plus 24. Total is again 56.
You can continue playing by selecting different numbers, but the total of the numbers will be the same. This number is called the magic number. Maths is always fun and interesting. We can play with numbers using maths tricks to fascinate our friends and families. Hope you all like this trick. You should definitely try this at home. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Gayatri Harikrishnan. Do you know which is the queen of all the sciences? It's maths. Maths is everywhere. Learning maths is too much fun. On this Mathematics Day, I am going to sing a song about maths. Math is magic. Math is magic. Learning math is fun. Learning math is fun. Math is queen of sciences. Math is queen of sciences. Math is always true. Math is always true. Addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. Interesting topics. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. I love maths. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. I love maths. Let's learn with joy. I love maths. Let's learn with joy. I love maths. Let's learn with joy. Happy Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Amayaji from grade 5 DC. Here I'm going to show you how to make the sieve of Eratosthenes. It is created by the Greek mathematician Eratosthenes and it is an ancient method used to find prime numbers in an array. So let's begin. For that, in a chart paper I have drew some columns. Next in this, I'm going to write the numbers from 1 to 100. To make it more sense and attractive, I'm going to color it. For 1, I have colored it blue as it is neither prime or composite. I have colored red for composite and green for prime numbers. Let's see how we got the prime and composite numbers. We have colored 1 with an entirely different color as it is neither prime or composite. Next 2. It is a prime number because it's greater than 1 and only divisible by itself and 1. Also, 2 is only the even prime number. Next, we will color all the multiples of 2 as composite to find the multiples of 2. Simply count by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. The next number is 5. I will color it as green because it's a prime number. 6 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. The next unmarked number is 7. It is prime because it's greater than 1 and only has 1 and itself as factors. We will color it as green and then proceed to mark its multiples. Most of the multiples of 7 are already colored up because those multiples have more than 2 factors. 8 is not a prime number because 8 has more than 2 factors. They are 1, 8, 4 and 2. 8's multiples are already colored because if a number is a multiple of 8, it also has factor of 2. 9 is not a prime number because its factors are 1, 9 and 3. It has more than 2 factors. All the multiples of 9 has also been colored because they have other factors beside 9. For example, 18 has already been colored because it has factors of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 10 is not a prime number because it has factors of 1, 2, 5 and 10. All the multiples of 2 and 5 have already been colored. This also means that all the multiples of 10 have been colored. Our prime numbers between 2 and 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. So the code here is blue represents neither prime or composite, green represents prime numbers and red represents composite numbers. Sieve of Eratosthenes is ready. It's very easy and simple, also helpful. Thank you.
World Mathematics Day, celebrated on March 14th. March, the third month of the year, and 14th the date. What an interesting way to have decided to celebrate mathematics on this day. It is related to the mathematical constant pi, which is rounded off to 3.14. That is why mathematics is celebrated on March 14th every year. Mathematics is a beautiful subject. It starts with simple concepts like counting to the complex forms like integration and differentiation. Mathematics is significant to study related to science, technology, engineering. Not only that, it is also relevant to studies related to art, music, and sports. Students often wonder, why do we learn these mathematical equations? What is the relevance? These mathematical equations that you learn are very significant in different industries, starting from the manufacture of a pen to planning an interplanetary space travel. Mathematics also helps us to improve our mental rigor and improve our logical thinking. So I take this opportunity to thank our mathematics department teachers, Mrs. Anu, Mrs. Sujata, and Mrs. Adira, for inspiring our students to come up with this beautiful celebration of Mathematics Day. I congratulate each and every student who has participated in this celebration. Thank you.
Meron akong kaibigan pagharap ko sa mundo.
Pagsagot sa tanong, ilan, ano, alin, paano.
Matang katulong
Sa ating pagsulong, paglikha't pag-unawa ng hiwaga.
minsan ang math mahirap at seryoso.
Nakakatakot, nakakalito.
Buti na lang may kasama pa tayo.
Sipag, tiyaga, isip at talino. Magtanong, mag-isip, huwag matakot magkamali. Magtanong, mag-isip, ang mahirap ay dadali. Magtanong, mag-isip, ang matyaga matututo. Magtanong, mag-isip, hey! Sabay-sabay tayo. Kaya mo, kaya ko. Matutunan ng math. Kaya mo, kaya ko. Mag-usap, magsikap, isip plus tiyaga equals madali.
Minsan ang math mahirap at seryoso.
Nakakatakot, nakakalito.
Buti na lang may kasama pa tayo.
Sipag, tiyaga, isip at talino. Magtanong, mag-isip, huwag matakot magkamali.